So, how to make money with Adidas affiliate program. So guys, in 2023 there are so many options to earn money online, and one of them is affiliate marketing. So basically, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is something that like, let's say you have a product which is this kind of thing, okay, which is this kind of pants or this kind of sweater, whatever it is, or this shoe. You have this shoe and you have to sell it, okay. So you are like, give this product to a website to sell it. Now if someone manage audience to sell your product, you will give a commission to them. So this is affiliate program. So let's say what we are gonna do is, we're gonna take this shoe from Adidas and we're gonna manage like our audience, and from our audience, when audience are gonna buy this shoe with $100, then you will get some commission from that $100. Like, let's say you get $10 commissions or $20 commissions, just like that. So that was how affiliate marketing works. So this thing doesn't works on just shoes or t-shirts. This can be applicable in any kind of products. So let's say a carpet, a lamp, anything. So Adidas have so many products going on here. As you can see, they have these pants, these shirts, and they are really famous for their shoes. So that all we know that. So first you have to know what affiliate marketing is. You have to study for it, and let's say you know what is affiliate marketing now. Then you have to visit the adidas.com website, which is their official website, www.adidas.com/us. So this is their official website. In their website, you have to like come in the bottom, let's say. So in here there are so many things like shoes, clothing, accessories, gift cards, new arrivals. As you can see, Black Friday deals, training, soccer. So there are so many things. What we need is affiliate. Where is that affiliate? So as you can see, in here we have an option named affiliates. So what you've got to do is click on the affiliates. Then it will redirect you to a page what like describes or give definitions about affiliate. So what is your affiliate program? So they're telling that welcome collaborators, you are collabing with them, so they're welcoming you. So at Adidas we have power to change living sports. So there are so many things going on. What I've just explained you, what is affiliate program. So their commitment to high standards, our partners have dedication to hard, just read those things if you need. So each time your visitor clicks through an affiliate link to www.adidas.com, like they will provide a link to you. Each time your visitors click through an affiliate link and makes a purchase, like your viewers or audience makes like clicked on the affiliate link and make the purchase, you will earn a commission. As I've just said, through your affiliate tracking provider Impact Radius, you will be able to easily access whatever. So what the thing is, they will give you a link, an affiliate link, and if your visitors click on that link and make a purchase, you are getting commissions. Okay, so that was how like affiliate link and affiliate marketing works. So let's say how we can apply for them. So in here, as you can see, there's an option named apply now. Just click on apply now. So it will load for some time and it will give a form to fill you up for the affiliate program. So it is really like easy, and guys, it's really breeze to do these things. So briefly give your informations in here, like give your first name. So for me it's RS and last name Rasef. So I'm giving my first name, then give my email, whatever my email is at gmail.com. Okay, give your thing here and then confirm your okay, and then confirm your email in here. Then you have to give your username, let's say whatever. So then give your password here and then confirm your password here. After that you have to give account display name, which name will be displayed on your account. Okay, just give that name. Okay, so if you have a website of your company, you can give that domain name in here. As you guys already know what domain is. So you can give the domain of your website here, so that they can visit and see that you are legal or whatever it is. So for security purpose or anything like that, they will visit your website, or if some people clicks in affiliate link on your website, they will check that. So then you have to give your country name in here, select your country, and then give your address, whatever address you are living in, then your second street address, whatever it is, and then your city. Then this thing, you just have to choose all those things according to your needs or according to your location. Just select the zip code and then give your account number here. So you have to select your country here and then give the number in here. Then you can give currency and those time zones, whatever. So after that, there a thing named promotional information. So in here, if you have any website, just check that in and give your domain. Then you have any social network, like you have a YouTube channel, then you can give the link in here, like you're promoting Adidas and earning from the affiliate link. So you can like review their products in your YouTube channel, like you can start making videos like, hey guys, there is a product we have from Adidas and you can buy this, and you can say the pros and cons and so many things about that product, and then you can sell them to the viewers you have. So if you have this kind of YouTube channel, you can give your channel link here. If you are an influencer on Facebook, then you can also provide that link. If you wanna promote Adidas on Instagram, you can also do it, and if you want that into LinkedIn, you can also do that. So there are so many social platforms you can promote Adidas on and earn from the affiliate link. So I will not choose anything. Okay, so this was just how you can apply. Okay, so in here you can download the program terms, and then you just have to click on sign up. So selecting USD as your preferred currency. So after you click on sign up, you will be able to apply for the affiliate program of Adidas. And you can do one thing. You can start a YouTube channel, like let's search Adidas products. Okay, as you can see, there are so many YouTubers that those are promoting Adidas. Okay, so basically they are promoting Adidas cause they have affiliate link. So they just applied in the way I have just already showed you. They have applied, and now they have to gather those audience from like a social platform, so that they can sell those things to that viewers. Okay, so they will give their affiliate link in the description, so that people can just click on that description affiliate link and buy that thing from their affiliate program link, and they will get some commission for that. So that was easy thing, guys. You can do that. You can just create a YouTube channel, or you can create a Instagram account and start posting about Adidas. So from like this, you can earn money from Adidas affiliate program, and this is really easy and breeze. And guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out how you can really apply for Adidas affiliate link, and you can earn money from it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.